Hello friends, so in that video we have to see how to make the trusses in Revit Structure. So I want to make one family of the truss. So go to new, and here you can see the metric structure truss is available template. So I selected this one and simply open. So here they have given truss height is about 3000 mm, and truss length is suppose 25,000 means 25-meter truss and 3-meter height. So in that boundary we have to make the truss. If you want to change the dimensions, you can change from here, and also for that also. So now I go to create. There are three type of chords they are giving us. Top chord means for the top, you want to make any dimensions or any kind of like if you want to put any line or make trusses, you can. For bottom chord you can use this, and for wave the middle portions like for the purlins or the rafter members, you can use this one. There are different types of trusses available, just like Hove, Pratt, Fig, that kind of trusses are available. So now we make one truss. Suppose I want to make a bottom chord, selected bottom chord, and take here. In that image they have shown how to draw, and for the wave I have selected this one and this also. So this is a 25-meter lane truss. So I want to divide this in same parts. So at that parts we have to put the offset also. So the middle portion is 12.5. So what amount of vertical members I want, what amount of wave members I want, which we design in the truss design. Truss design is you can design a truss. There are various factors available for designing a truss. Like you can change the, like as per the changes of the loads, wind pressure, and different kinds of things are applicable to it. By the IS code you can design it. So now I want to put the offset of 2500 mm from here. Just like that I have this offset from both sides. You can trim or adjust the length of that wave. As per the designs, these waves and rafter members, early members have different types of uh, lanes, widths, and thicknesses. Okay, so these are vertical members. Now I want to draw. So like that, our truss is made. So this is called as Hove truss that we have made. So if you want to load this in our project, you can also load this in our project. Thank you.